In this video, we will show how to program the day override feature. This feature will allow the system to regenerate based on the number of gallons used or the number of days that have passed, whichever comes first. Press any button to start, and if the screen reads as shown, simply press and hold the settings button down for approximately 3 seconds until you hear a beep. This means that you've successfully unlocked the control valve. Press and hold both the settings and manual regen buttons simultaneously for approximately 3 seconds until you hear a beep and the language screen is shown. Then press the manual regen button several times until you arrive on the screen that states Day Override Off. By pressing the arrow up or down buttons, you can set up the number of days that you would like the unit to regenerate. For this example, we have chosen 7 days. Then press the manual regen button several times until you see programming complete. The display screen will now start to scroll its various diagnostic information. And eventually the screen will display the day override setting that you just programmed. The system will now regenerate based on the number of gallons used or the number of days that have passed, whichever comes first.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.